our Richmond facility, and this is Abby. Abby was just dropped off for her 2-week board and train program. Abby is a 15-month-old chocolate lab. Her owner said she is super excited all the time, which she's been pretty excited since she's been here. Good girl, yes, good girl. So very excited, jumps a lot. She said really the only command that Abby knows is sit, like occasionally. And she's had a hard time trying to train her. So we get to get her back on track for the next 2 weeks here. And look at that wonderful sit already. So let's see what command she does now. Abby, sit. Yes. Sit. She's got down. Down. Abby, down. Down. Go place. Place. Abby. Abby. Place. Abby. Place. Heel. Yep. 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 Kind of everywhere on the heel. The owner said she does pull a lot, and she's already had 3 back surgeries and needs a 4th one. And Abby will just yank her when they're trying to walk, pulls her out the door. So we need to work on those bad manners so her owner doesn't get injured more. So that's where we're at with Abby here, and we'll check back in 2 weeks for her progress.